Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this. This is 1 cup of shortening. You have to pat it down in there and then just kind of scrape it off so that it's level. And then I take it out. Okay, I use the vegetable shortening to do that. Okay. Then you can do, I just use the 1/4 of a cup because most of the time I don't have a 3/4 of a cup, but I'm going to do 3 cups of sugar, and you want to just make sure that it's level each time. You can kind of scrape it off with your finger or a knife. Alright, so that's 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. And oops, we get 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar also. And on the brown sugar, you want to pack it down and make sure it's level. So see how that's like heaping up. Just pack it down, and I got a little much, so I'm just gonna wipe part of it off. Okay, 1, 2, 1 more of these. I'm getting last bit out of my bowl here. I'm running out. But I have enough. Okay, so that's 3 of those. Then I need 3 eggs, which I already cracked into here. I need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, but I have to do it 3 times. So let me grab this. Alright, so it's a 1/2 teaspoon, and I always triple my recipe, so that's why I'm doing it 3 times, because this is a very small recipe. Alright, so there's that. I use the imitation vanilla, but I don't think it would matter. And then baking soda. I need 3/4 of a teaspoon, so I'm just using the 1/4 3 times, and make sure it's level. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then salt, same amount, 3/4 of a teaspoon, and you just kind of want to make sure it's level. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I'm gonna do the flour, 3/4 of a cup of flour, but 3 times of that. So I don't have my 3/4 cup, so again, you want to like wipe it off so it's measuring straight across the top. So that's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 for each batch, 3/4. So I'm going to do that amount 3 times since I'm making 3 batches. So 1, 2, 3. That's 2 batches. And now 1 more batch worth. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's 3/4 3 times. Then I'm going to just put it on my mixer. So I'm I use this attachment, but you can use a hand mixer too, or you could stir it, but it's gonna be a little bit hard. You have to do it slow at first because it starts splattering. It's so powdery. And then once it gets mixed in, I turn it up just a little bit. Let it mix for a minute or so. Okay. When it's a little bit creamy like this, I know it's done, so just take that out. And just wipe this off a bit, back in to the bowl. This kind of dough is a little bit, not runny, but very soft. And so it's harder to do with your hands. Then I just get my chocolate chips. So I just get the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you can use large ones or the chunks or whatever. I just like these because they make, like, it mixes more. I guess there's more chocolate in every bite. Okay, so then just use a spoon to mix it around. Till it is all the way down. Okay, then I take a pan. Let's see if I can do this. My pan, you don't need to put any kind of spray on the pan at all. I like to use this scooper. It's a number 8, but it's smaller than a regular ice cream cone scoop. And you can use just a regular spoon, but you want to leave space between the cookies because they will spread out as they bake. So I always try to leave a little room. Alright, so sometimes it falls out. Well, flip over. Okay. So, kind of see maybe how it's kind of spread out. And then I just put it in the oven. It's on 375. I already started it at the beginning.